In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save PowerPoint as PPTX. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work or school, saving it in the correct format is essential to ensure compatibility and functionality. Let's walk through the steps. First, make sure Microsoft PowerPoint is installed on your computer. Open the PowerPoint application, then open the presentation you want to save. If it's not already open, locate the file on your computer and open it in PowerPoint. Once your presentation is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This opens the main File menu, where you'll find options like New, Open, Save, and Print. From this menu, click on Save As. This option is important because it allows you to choose the file format manually. After selecting Save As, a dialog box will appear. In this window, look for the File Type or Save As Type drop-down menu. By default, it may be set to another format, such as a PDF or an older PowerPoint version. Click on the drop-down menu and scroll until you find PowerPoint Presentation or .pptx. Select this option to ensure your file is saved in the modern and most widely supported PowerPoint format. Before saving, double-check that the file extension shown is .pptx. Once everything looks correct, click the Save button. And that's it! Your presentation is now saved as a PPTX file. This format preserves all PowerPoint features and ensures your slides can be opened and edited on most computers without any issues. Remember, using the correct file format helps maintain compatibility and prevents problems when sharing your presentation across different devices or platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!